Success is not something that happens overnight. It grows step by step, just like a tree that takes years to stand tall and strong. When we try to rush things, we may get quick results, but they often don't last. Real success is built slowly, with patience, discipline, and a clear purpose. Success begins with the way we think. It's not just about goals or plans, it's a mindset. Strategy is about thinking ahead, making conscious decisions, and taking consistent action. It's not random luck. It's being intentional with every step we take. Every action we take, no matter how small, matters. When we put our heart, mind, and soul into even the simplest task, we're building the habits and character that lead to greatness. Success is in the details. It's not just about the big moves. It's about showing up fully in everything we do. The path to success requires bold, determined action. We can't just wish for it. We have to work for it. We have to dare to try new paths, not just walk the ones that others have taken. Innovation and courage often matter more than intelligence alone. Common sense, used consistently, beats raw genius when it comes to long-term success. But let's be clear, perseverance alone doesn't guarantee success. If we're putting energy into the wrong things, in the wrong places, we can work hard and still not get results. So we must be smart, aware, and open to learning. Those who achieve great things didn't know all the answers in the beginning. They figured things out as they went, solving one problem at a time, and never waiting for someone else to do it for them. To succeed deeply and meaningfully, we need purity of intention, patience in the process, and persistence in our actions. But most of all, we need love. Love for what we do, love for the journey, and love for the people we serve through our work. Success doesn't happen by accident. It doesn't magically appear. You have to light that fire within yourself. You must choose to show up every day, see reality clearly, and keep moving forward, no matter what life brings your way. We can't always control what happens to us, but we can control how we respond. Real self-esteem comes not from focusing on our failures, but from recognizing our wins, no matter how small, and building from them. Each time we reach a new level, we raise the bar for ourselves and aim higher. When we focus on goals that are not just about ourselves, goals that bring value to others, we tap into something deeper. If we nurture those goals with effort, patience, and perseverance, success becomes not just possible, but inevitable. Turn setbacks into fuel. Turn losses into lessons. Turn pain into power. Don't let fear decide your future. Fear tries to convince you that you're not worthy of the success you want. But you are. You always have been. The people who succeed aren't the ones who never fall. They're the ones who never quit. No matter how many times you're knocked down, if you stand up one more time, you're already on your way. Unsuccessful people make choices based on where they are now. Successful people make choices based on where they want to be. That's the difference. So keep putting your heart into your work, even when no one is watching. Keep taking action. Keep moving. Success isn't a final destination, and failure isn't the end of the road. What matters most is the courage to continue. Every failure teaches us something. With the right mindset, even failure becomes a step forward, a lesson, a checkpoint, a chance to try again with greater clarity. Character isn't built in comfort. It's shaped through challenge. Every tough moment is a chance to become stronger, more determined, and more capable. Success is about momentum. Successful people keep going. They don't stop just because things get hard. They make mistakes, yes, but they keep learning, and they keep trying. Success is the reward for those who strive for excellence, learn from their stumbles, stay loyal to their purpose, and refuse to give up. It's the ability to keep your passion alive, even when facing failure after failure. In the end, the people who achieve the most are often those who were closest to giving up, but decided to take just one more step.